What's going on, guys? It's Chris, that guy in the BRZ. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, turn on that post notification sign on, and stay tuned.
Move like the move like
Clearly, as you can see, we're not in the garage right now. It's really cold out, and I don't feel like sitting in the garage and having this conversation with you guys. So I'll show you like little tips and stuff like that once I go out there. So currently right now, I really don't have anything to do yet again. But I just wanted to go over like maintenance. So if your guys are on airlift, or this is mostly for people that are on airlift. So right now, it's obviously really cold in New York. It's wintertime in general. So when it's cold, you want to maintain your system. So the huge things you want to do is basically take the leader lines out of the car, take that crappy little fucking Teflon tape that's on there, that's built up guck and all that crap. You want to re-Teflon tape it, so no leakage in the wintertime. Another huge thing you can do is put anti-freeze into the tank. You put like a little cap fill of it into the tank every few months. So it's basically no like freezing in the tank or anything. If you have V2 or 3P, I don't know about manual. I don't think this works for manual. Probably doesn't. But if you have V2, 3P, 3HP, all those ones, AccuAir, doesn't matter. You can actually disable your compressor from your remote. It's actually a good thing to do in the wintertime. So say your car is outside, you turn on your car, right? You turn on your car, the compressor is going. It's not going to really fill up the tank because the compressor is frozen. So what a good thing to do is over the night before, disable the compressor. So when you turn on the car in the morning, you let the car heat up the whole 9 yards. You let it heat up, let warm air go through the system of the car, then turn on the compressor, let it fill up. It's a good thing so the compressor doesn't overwork itself and then it shits out on you. So that's a huge thing you want to do in the winter. This is your drain valve. You just basically, sometimes people put it underneath the tank. I actually have mine connected from a decent far away because I don't like all the water and all the air, most of the water getting into the trunk. Yes, the trunk is kind of crap right now. I will change it. I'll actually show a video sooner or later about it. But see this little ring right here? You're just gonna pull it, and these two valves, I don't know if you can see, they're right in here. Those open up, and it takes all the air out of the tank. So this is what I was explaining about enabling and disabling the compressor in the morning when you want your car to heat up. So you're going to grab this button right here, the second button to the top, and you grab the airlift button. You click them both at the same time. It goes into the maintenance, so at the main menu. You're going to go down to setup. Once you go to setup, you hit compressor. I think, let's see if it'll fucking focus. You're going to hit compressor. Then you go down to enabled and disable. You click it to disable, and then you turn on, then you do the same exact thing. Go home, let the car heat up. Then you come back, you hit the same two again, go into setup, hit compressor, and then you're gonna go back in here and you're gonna enable it. So then tank will fill up, car will be warm, and there'll be no problems with the compressor freezing.